can't a bump. That's what they do. They rock, they roll, they can drill you out a hole. That's what they do. They're masters of construction, the heavy metal crew. They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do.
Oh, the old days, yeah?
They were the best.
They were the best.
Not like that anymore.
Oh, tell that to the youth today. They don't know, you know. Oh, they don't want to know.
Oh, what are they?
I don't know.
Right, team. As you can see, the new prefabricated building has arrived.
Prefabricated?
No, prefabricated, Diggs. Which means it's ready-made and just needs connecting together and putting into place.
Oh, that's a new one for us.
Yes, it's out with the old and in with the new. Now, Carrie, you and Diggs should start unloading.
Yes, Boza.
Yes, Boza.
Scooch, you can fetch Carl for the lifting.
Okay, Boza.
Off you go then.
Oh, wunderbar, the old days were the best.
Machines were machines back then.
Hi, Lug. Hi, Carl. What are you talking about?
When we were younger, Scooch, it was so different. So machine-tastic.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Hear the sound of machines hard at work. Strong, stout and sturdy, these machines are the backbone of industry. And my, how they work! In this wholesomely hard-working age, every aspect of the job is given a thoroughly good seeing to. It may take longer, but it's worth it. So come on, everybody. It's 3 cheers for the machines that are building the future.
The old ways just aren't needed anymore.
I suppose not. But as Boza says, out with the old and in with the new.
Scooch, you know what this means?
No?
Well, Lug and I will be the first to go, because we're old.
Oh, Carl, we're going to be replaced.
In this case, we must leave now, with our equipment held high.
After you, dear friend.
Thank you, big buddy.
No, you... Oh, no!
Finished. Now, all we need is for Carl and Lug to lift the end pieces into place.
Everybody! Carl and Lug have left! For good!
No, but why would they do a silly thing like that?
Because Boza's going to replace them!
No!
No!
Yes! That's what he meant by out with the old and in with the new.
That doesn't sound like Boza to me.
Maybe Scooch is right. If buildings come ready-made, then it's less work, which means someone won't be needed anymore.
Now, don't let your imagination roll away with you. I will go and see Boza.
We could save Carl and Lug's jobs.
How?
By taking this building apart.
Because this
Prefabricated building.
Exactly, is what replaced them.
Right. Let's do it.
They say they're old and rusty. Their joints begin to creak. They say they started leaking oil. Their wheels begin to squeak. To put it very kindly, they're showing them the door. After all these years, they just don't want them anymore. They could mix it with the best when they were young and fit. Now, they talk behind their backs. There go those two old twits. The scrap heap's where they're headed. That's what they're ready for. After all they've done, they just don't want them anymore. Now they say, out with the old. We must bring in the new. That far-off scrap heap in the sky is where they're heading to.
Top gear!
Now, what's all this nonsense I hear from Maxine about Carl and Lug and the prefabricated building?
We took it apart.
Yeah, we're saying no to whatever they're called, buildings.
Especially if it's going to put Carl and Lug out of work.
Well, why would it do that?
You said out with the old and in with the new. And they're old.
Look, I'm the oldest machine on site. And anyway, I meant that if there's a newer way of doing things, we should just try it out.
Oh.
Now, no one's losing their jobs. I admire the way you stuck up for your friends, but I just wish you'd asked me first.
Sorry, Boza.
Next time I'll ask you first, Boza. I promise.
I'm sure you will, Scooch. Now, there are only two machines that I know of who could put this lot back together.
You know, Lug, I miss them all.
Me too. Terribly.
Carl, Lug.
Boza?
There you are. Carl, Lug, we need experienced machines, and you're the ones for the job. We need you.
They need us!
Try hard, George!
Prefabricated.
We did a wunderbar job. You sure did. The old will always be in around here.
Prefabricated.
They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do. They scrape, they scratch, they can fetch another batch. That's what they do. They drag, they drop, they can take it to the top. That's what they do.